Hello friends, yesterday we had better and had best. We have already seen they are interchangeable, and today we will do an exercise based on that. You have to say whether it is advice or warning or precautionary recommendation. These are the three meanings. Now let's begin. You had better do it again. That is a warning, W, warning. You had best deal with him more carefully. That is advice. You had better love the young, advice. There is nothing here also, advice. This is warning, warning. And the fourth is you had best keep quiet in the class, warning. W, warning. Then fifth one is you had better stop smoking. You had better stop smoking. It's a precautionary recommendation, isn't it? Precautionary. Otherwise, what will happen? Precautionary recommendation. 6. You had best take. You had better and had best are interchangeable. We can say that most common is had best. Had best is a dialectical variation. I told you yesterday. Yes. So you had better stop. You had best take antibiotics before plucking your teeth. Infection is possible. So that is precaution. Same P, precautionary measure. 7th, you had best be regular in taking medication for BP. That's also precaution. Precautionary recommendation. Precautionary recommendation. 8th, you had better love your enemies. Advice. 7th, that is advice. And you have 9th, you had best speak the truth. Warning. So warning, you had best speak the truth. And 10th, you had better attend phonetic classes. Advice. You had better phonetic classes. Now deletion. Had better or gone, then just say, best take my bike. It's an advice. Best take my bike. Better go to sleep. Advice. Isn't it? Best go home. Advice. Better confess the matter. Warning. Right? You agree with me? Warning. Better speak good of others. Advice. Don't say anything bad about others. Now here you say this can be contracted like this. You had. Or deleted. Here you can see deletion. And this is of course addressed to the second person, because nobody advises himself. I had better do this. No. You don't advise it, or you don't want. So usually it is for the second person. You had better do it, you had better do it, you had better. Clear? So remember, had better, and probably meanings and uses of had better, had best. Had better, had best can be interchanged without any difficulty. And then advice, warning, precautionary. Because you can see now precaution. You had best be regular in taking medication for BP. Very clear precaution. Otherwise, what happens, It is an insult to your heart. If you don't take the BP medicine regularly, that will be an insult to your heart. A physician told me. So I am also transferring what I got from a physician to you. For if anybody has blood pressure. Okay, same with this also. Plucking teeth. Very often what happens, dentist will suggest that if there is any other problem, say diabetes and so on, they will say you take antibiotics before half an hour or sometimes 1 hour before you are extracting your teeth or plucking your teeth. Simple language is plucking. Okay, so like that. You had better do it again. So warning. Otherwise, you will be caught. Do it again. That is. So it can be for warning, can be for advice, can be for precautionary recommendation. But before that, please remember this. let's wash our hands and flush out Corona. Last week it was break the chain and crush Corona. Hope that you will tell others, share this with others also. So till we meet again, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life.